Salut, welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to count from 0 to 30. From 0 to 30 in French. Are you ready? Let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, that is 20, 20, okay? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. So 30 is 30. And one thing we need to know about numbers in French is that they are very, very important, because when you go to a Francophone country or a French-speaking country, probably you like to mention your telephone number. You need to know how to count, how to spell numbers, or how to count in French. Okay? And probably to say your age, or to buy something at the market, you need to know how to count, right? Okay, so as a bonus to this, the French system is such a way that their numbers are called in pairs. So let's say instead of you mentioning 0249705 as your telephone number, the French people will mention it in pairs. Okay, like 04 23 42 50. Right? Okay, so there's going to be an assignment. You are going to record a video as well, counting from 0 to 30 in French.